Hi, my name is Dan Bullion with Bullion RV Center in Duluth, Minnesota, and today we're going to do a short video of our brand new 2026 Winnebago Thrive, and this is the 22 MLS travel trailer. We'll show you the inside, we'll show you the outside, and we'll see if you like it. Alright, starting up front, you've got a huge front window, electric tongue jack, two 20-pound propane tanks with a spot for a battery here. There is also a battery disconnect switch right on the frame there. Awesome pass-through storage that does go all the way through to the other side. There is also a heat duct right in the middle there. One slide out on the 22 MLS. On-demand hot water heater back here, and then right around the corner you've got exterior ladder, outside shower, prep for a backup camera. Your city water connection along with your power cord plug-in is right there as well. And then there is a cargo rack here which is rated for 350 pounds. Full-length electric awning with LED lighting. Black tank flush over on this side with some extra outlets, along with an outside speaker. And then you do have electric stabilizing jacks, so the buttons for that are right there. And your front stabilizing jack buttons are right here. And your solar charge controller is right inside the pass-through storage door. There is a solar panel mounted on the roof already. And as we walk in, you've got your main control panel here, which has some master light switches, your slide out button, your awning button, and then your JBL Bluetooth speaker set up. Front bed, lots of natural light from that window. Storage along the sides, up above, and then you do have outlets, USB and USB-C on both sides. Really nice reclining theater seating in the slide, along with your 12-volt refrigerator and freezer, and then 3-burner oven, microwave, with storage above and below. Sink is in the back with more storage. They are soft close drawers as well. And then bathroom includes another sink, toilet, double medicine cabinet with mirrors, and a nice large shower with skylight up above. And then huge dinette. Dinette is measured at 42 by 82. And flat screen TV is directly across from your theater seating. And then your roof mounted air conditioner is right there. There is a privacy curtain that you can pull across as well. Shoe storage right at the entrance there. We'll do one more walk around to the floor plan. This unit weighs just over 6,000 pounds. And overall length is 26 feet 11 inches. Well, my name is Dan Bullion with Bullion RV Center in Duluth, Minnesota. If you're interested in this brand new 2026 Winnebago Thrive 22 MLS travel trailer, call or text at 218-229-7816. Thanks for watching this video and have a great day.